Incoming transmission.
Data connection established. Syncing with host computer. Beaming information.
I am online and ready.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
what is the date?
March 2nd, 2017.
What day is today?
Thursday.
What is the weather like today?
The weather in Los Angeles is clear at 10 degrees Celsius. There is a humidity of 52 and a wind speed of 11.27 miles per hour.
Okay, Jarvis,
Yes.
open control panel.
Sure.
Close tab. Open Windows Explorer.
Opening Windows Explorer.
Close tab. Jarvis,
How may I help?
what's your name?
Jarvis. Customize. Connecting to profile databases. Sir, may I suggest you downloading more profiles? This will make me smarter. Please wait until Done button is enabled.
Jarvis,
How can I assist you, sir?
read this.
Now you can download and import profile databases into the system. Please donate one at a time to receive the passwords. Do not buy two or more at the same time or you won't get the passwords for the file. Thanks.
Jarvis,
How may I be of assistance?
what's the temperature?
10 degrees Celsius.
Open email option.
Completed.
Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
open news option.
Completed.
Open weather option. Mute speaker. On mute speaker. Okay. Alright. What were you saying?
Thursday.
Okay. Which profile are you using?
Main.
Open Facebook.
Opening Facebook. For you, sir.
Open Google.
Sure. Here you go.
Close tab. Close tab.
News. Trump Attorney General Jeff Sessions under fire over Russia meetings. Democrats call on Jeff Sessions to quit as he insists he did not mislead his confirmation hearing.
Okay.
Mail. Ministers will seek to overturn Brexit bill defeat. Government sources react to the House of Lords vote on the rights of UK-based EU nationals. Oscar mishap accountants will never return to ceremony. Accountants Brian Cullinan and Martha Ruiz muddled envelopes and the wrong winner was announced.
Stop talking.
Bus lane. Mail. News. Mail.
Login information not found. Please set up the email in settings. Okay. Home. MVC.
Jarvis.
How may I help?
Goodbye.